Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Balghari Kitchen again, viewers. Today in Balghari Kitchen, I'm going to make one rice, which is sweet corn chicken fried rice. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this recipe. It's another amazing recipe. So I hope you will like it, this recipe. So if you not subscribe Balghari Kitchen, please always subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comment in comment section. So I'm going to cook this recipe in my kitchen. So let me take you to Balghari Kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for this recipe. So viewers, here I have already boiled basmati rice, sweet corn, spring onion, 2 egg, sunflower oil, chopped chicken, chopped carrots, chopped onion, black pepper powder, garlic powder, chicken stock powder, and light soy sauce. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this beautiful recipe. I'm going to start now. Let's start our sweet corn chicken fried rice. Adding oil on the pan. Then first ingredients I'm going to add the chicken. Saute the chicken. So our chicken is cooked. Just put on the side, and the rest of the oil I'm going to add egg. Scramble the egg nicely. Scramble the egg with chicken together. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the chicken and put on the plate side. So same pan I'm going to use. Add some oil. And then first ingredients I'm going to add onion. Saute the onion nicely until it's cooked. So it's time to add the carrots. Add the sweet corn. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the chicken and egg which we cook already. Mix together. Look at this nice stuffing. Now it's time to add the rice which already cooked. Just thoroughly mix together. Mix nicely. Adding black pepper, garlic powder, chicken stock, light soy sauce. Now it's time to mix gently all together. So look at this reverse. Adding some spring onion and stir fry another 1 to 2 minutes. Then our fried rice is ready. Then we're going to dish out, and then we are going to serve this one with chicken which already we prepared. So switch off the flame. So add into the big bowl, adding fried rice nicely. Just top up nicely like this. Take the serving plate, put on the top, then make upside down, and slowly slowly remove the bowl. So our fried rice is ready. Look at this beautiful fried rice. So viewers, another dish which is sweet corn chicken fried rice ready. I'm going to taste definitely. Wow, it looks nice. I'm going to taste some. Mmm, balance the flavor. Very very nice. The corn make it crispy also and very delicious. Keep watching Balghari Kitchen for upcoming another recipes. Share to friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen and have a great day. Dating.